Thank you, Moomin. Now I would like to call Inzia Hussain from Grammar School, Rawalpindi, to express the topic, the lost generation.
Good morning, my dear honorable guests, respected teachers, and my fellow students. I am Inzia Hussain, a student of Grammar School, Rawalpindi. I want to begin with a quote of Qadi Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. But today, we need more than just hope. We need awareness. Today, I'm going to talk about something important, something that affects all of us. The title of my speech is The Lost Generation. Let's go back, not just a few years, but 1400 years ago. It was said in Islamic teachings that a time will come when people will have cinemas in their homes. At that time, it sounded impossible. But today, we carry those cinemas in our pockets, our phones. Social media, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok are all entertainment centers. But they are not just entertainment. They are taking control of our minds. We live in the most advanced era of human history. Smart homes, smart TVs, smart watches, and even smart fridges. Artificial intelligence writes essays, creates art, and even talks like a human. Inventions like ChatGPT, self-driven cars, and robots are changing our world fast. But what is the cost, Mr. President? Earlier, if we had a problem, we would ask a friend or a teacher. Now, we ask Google or AI. We used to draw with our hands and think with our minds. Now, AI does it for us. Even at homes, we don't ask elders, we just search everything. AI is taking our relationship, personal and professional, our teachers, mothers and fathers. Yes, AI has many benefits. It saves time, helps in medicine, education and more. However, it leads to us being lazy. It encourages a sedentary lifestyle. It makes us less creative and emotionally distant. Kids spend their more time on screens than with their families. Nowadays, if someone is in danger, instead of helping them, people record videos and make memes of it. Bystanders are becoming spectators. Empathy and compassion is being replaced by apathy. We are forgetting our discipline, values and hard work because of being slaves of screen. T.S. Eliot's words ring true to me when he says, "We are hollow men, we are stuffed men, cleaning together, headpiece filled with straw." Even money is changing. People chase cryptocurrency and dream of getting rich overnight. But real success doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from effort and honesty. We are not lost generation because we are bad. We are a lost generation because we are distracted, confused, and too focused on the screens. But it's not too late. We can still find our way. Let's not throw away technology. It's a gift. But let's control it and not let it control us. Let's bring back creativity, physical activity, and strong values. Let's talk to real people, not just AI. Let's use AI as a tool, not a replacement. Generations before us built the world with their hands, sweat, and their hearts. We are a lost generation because we have no path, but we must look for one. Yet within every loss lies a chance to drift or to awaken the values that once truly gave us strength and to shape a future that that remembers what matters. Thank you.
The earth is a fine place and worth fighting for.